Hello, my name is Zayna Amirah and I study computer science at Al-Hussein Technical University. This is the HTU Study Plan Advisor, which is a mobile application that I've developed for one of the subjects I've taken this semester. The main purpose of this application is to help the student select the subjects that they should be taking each semester. In addition to this, it would also help the student know what are the prerequisites for each of the subjects. You also know that all subjects could either be HTU or Pearson, and if they're Pearson, they could either be H&C or H&D. In addition to this, the subjects could be a faculty requirement, a department requirement, or even a university requirement. So this application helps the student to know what each subject is. Another nice feature is that the student is able to distinguish between the electives and mandatory subjects. So let us go through the mobile application. So the first thing is to decide on what major you're in. So let's say we select on computer science. The student then decides on whether they want to fill in or show course information. So let's say we selected on show course information. You then decide on the year that you want to see the subjects in. Or you can select on electives and you can see what are all the electives that you could take each semester. So let's say we selected year 2. As you can see, there are specific subjects for each semester, and next to it there are the number of prerequisites that you should be taking before taking that subject. Each color identifies the category of the subject, whether it's an H&C, H&D, a faculty requirement, a university requirement, or anything else. As you can see, STEM Lab 1 has no prerequisites, while managing a successful project has 2 prerequisites. If we select on security that has 1 prerequisite, it will show the course details of that subject. It will give us the course name, the course ID, the prerequisite of networking, the course category which is Pearson, the requirement type which is mandatory, and the semester advised to be taken. So if we go back and we go to the spring semester, there are other subjects that you could be taking, such as advanced programming. Advanced programming, as you can see, it also gives the details of the subject. The prerequisite of advanced programming is programming, of course. So if we go back, we go to the previous page, and let's say we want to go through the electives that we can take each semester. There are many electives that you can take at HTU, such as French language, which has no prerequisites at all. And if you go down, there are a lot of subjects that you could be taking, which is a department requirement, a faculty requirement, or anything else. As you can see, math or computing is elective, which has no prerequisites, so you could take this subject whenever you want. So let's go back to the main page. Let's say the student wants to fill in course information. So here, you must put in the course name. Let's say the course name is test, and the course ID is 9878. And we want to know what are the prerequisites. Let's say the first prerequisite is programming, and the second prerequisite is networking. And let's say we have no third prerequisite. So the category is a Pearson, and it's mandatory. And then we have to specify what is the category type. So let's say it's an H&C. And the semester advised to take it, let's say it is year 3 fall semester. So then there's a confirmation message, so if you want to submit or not, because all the information will be sent to the database. So let's say OK. And then you go back to the main page where the course has been successfully added. So now it's added to our database and it's now found in the study plan. So let's say we go to show, we go to year 3, full semester. As you can see, it is now here. And as you can see, it gives us the name, the ID, the prerequisites, the course category, and the requirement type, and the semester advised, of course. So, as a conclusion, this is the application that I've created for the university.